Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for keeping your crypto safe: binding Google Authenticator to your Gate.io account. This full guide for 2025 will walk you through the process step by step, so you can enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and protect your assets from potential threats. Why bother? Well, with hackers always on the prowl, adding an extra layer of security like Google Authenticator can make all the difference. It's quick, free, and super effective. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Gate.io account already set up, the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone, and a stable internet connection. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log in to your Gate.io account using your username and password. Once you're in, head over to the Security or Account Settings section. It's usually in the top right corner or under your profile menu. Step 2. Look for the two-factor authentication, 2FA, option. Click on it, and you might see a prompt to enable Google Authenticator specifically. If you're asked, select that as your 2FA method. Step 3. Gate.io will generate a QR code on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, tap the plus icon to add a new account, and scan that QR code with your camera. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the secret key provided on the screen. Step 4. After scanning or entering the key, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Type that code into the verification field on Gate.io's website. Step 5. Hit Submit or Verify, and Gate.io should confirm that your 2FA is now active. You might be asked to enter another code for final confirmation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you run into any issues, like the QR code not scanning, double-check your app permissions or try restarting your device. Remember, always keep your recovery codes safe in case you lose access to your phone. There you have it. That's how you bind Google Authenticator to Gate.io in 2025. By doing this, you're taking a smart step toward better security. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.